We've had a great show at HIMTEX exhibition in Hyderabad. We had a big turnout of our customers in the previous few days, and the machines on display from the Jyoti and Huron Graphenstaden range are of great interest to them. We thank the customers who visited. We are also looking forward to connect with all the people who had visited to take the association forward.
We have been associated with Jyoti for last more than 8 to 9 years. So we have 3 machines currently from them, and 2 more are in process. Their sales and service support is excellent. So that's why we have been continuously associated with them. The technology advancements, the innovations they carry on, it's very good for Indian manufacturing industry. So we hope they continue forward, and I want to congratulate their team for setting up such a beautiful stall here at HIMTEX.
Jyoti is our one of the longest partner with Azar. They do a lot of import substitutes in India, and they have done a lot of technology advancement in India. We really do appreciate, and we are having a different kind of collaboration with Jyoti. And I can say long way to go.